All right, so here we go with the homework assignment for exercise 7-8. This one I think is pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, definitely reach out. I'd love to help you out. The first thing we're going to do is do a bank reconciliation. It's very simple to do. There's a few steps that you have to master. The very first thing to do here is for the date on the bank reconciliation, it is going to be a day so that it's not month ending or year ending. It'll be on a specific date, in this case, July 31st of 2017. We are given our information here for the Carla Vista company. The very first thing that we're going to do is go to our bank reconciliation and our cash balance per bank statement. The very first number here is given to us. It's $8,288 from number 1 up here. That is where we start, but then we're going to use a 3-step process to do a bank reconciliation. This step 1 is we're going to add our deposits in transit. So the deposits in transit we add, it's a positive number of $3,660. When we add those two numbers together, 8288 and 3660, our total there is going to be 11,948. Now, our step 2, we need to subtract any outstanding checks. So we have an outstanding check here. Sorry, I don't know if I showed you this. Step 4, deposits in transit, there is the 3660. That's where I get that number. So the number 6, we have an outstanding check of $707. So we're going to subtract that amount. And our total here is going to be $11,241. Now, our third step is to know any bank errors, if there are any. And for this example, we do not have any bank errors. So the total adjusted cash balance per book is going to be $11,241. Sorry, it's right here, $11,241. Now, the other side to this is going to be the book reconciliation. We are given, again, the cash balance per book is $8,324 in number 3 here. And we start there. Again, it's a 3-step process. So the very first step, we're going to add any other deposits. And these would be any unrecorded deposits. So in this example, we have number 5 is a $2,976 collected amount for the company in July by the bank through an electronic funds transfer, and the collection has not been recorded by the company. So we're going to come down here and add that electronic funds transfer that we received of $2,976. When we do the math here, 8,324 plus 2,976, we get the 11,300 number here. So step 2, now we're going to go and subtract any unrecorded payments that we have on the account. And the bank service charge, number 2, was not recorded by the depositor of $59. So that would, bank service charge would work for an unrecorded payment. That total is $59. Though that is the only unrecorded payment that we have. So we subtract from the 11,300. We're going to subtract the $59. And again, our number here is 11,241. Step 3 is to look for any company errors. not any bank errors in this case, but company errors or errors in the books. We do not have any errors, and so our adjusted cash balance per book is $11,241. The two balance, so you have the bank now balancing with the book, and that is your answer. Everything is correct there. So now part 2 or part B of this problem is to journalize these adjusting entries. And the first one here is to record the EFT or the electronic funds transfer received by the bank of $2,976. So because this is cash or money that we received, we're going to debit our cash account, $2,976. And because it was collected from a customer on an account, we go ahead and we credit accounts receivable for the same amount of $2,976. And that takes care of the journal entry for our ETF or EFT transfer there. The next transaction is to record the bank service charge. And the bank service charge, the way we do that is we're going to credit or we're going to debit the bank charges expense account, $59. And because it is money that we're paying to the bank, we're going to credit $59 to cash to pay for that. So that is a very simple, easy way to explain it. I hope that it's clear enough. If not, leave me a message. I'd love to get back and help anybody out that's struggling or needs any help. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.